Hi, my name's Chris Conley, and today I'm going to show you how to play Dead or Alive by Bon Jovi. This lesson is just the intro. You can see more on patreon.com/Chris J. Connolly, where you get lots of other videos, other lessons, and you can download free the book I've written and taken months to do, called Great Rhythm Guitar Songs Made Easy, Book 1. There are 12 songs in there, ranging from Hotel California, Pink Floyd, and lots more. You can download this free. It's patreon.com/Chris J. Connolly, and there are videos, video lessons for each song in there. You can follow the book, follow the lessons, the video lessons again at patreon.com/Chris J. Connolly. Download this free, subscribe free, and if you want more, you can become a Patreon, and you get all the videos to watch at your leisure. Today it's Bon Jovi. Okay. The beginning, there are sort of spacious guitar sounds that he plays. He's got a nice reverb on, okay, which I've got a little bit on here, and it's a D minor chord and a D sus2 chord. Okay. What you need to do to get to a D sus2 from a D minor, and by the way, if you don't know the chords, they're on Patreon as well. Play a D minor chord, take your first finger off, and that is the D sus2, and they are the main sounds we'll be playing. So we can take this D minor chord, and if you've got two dots on your guitar, which you should have, you can move that D minor up to fret 13. We're at fret 1 here. We move that up to fret 13. These two dots, again, if you don't know, there's lots of information on Patreon. It is the 12th fret, and that's where everything starts again. Okay, so we've got the D minor. We've moved it 12 frets up from 1 to 13. Okay, so it still sounds like a D minor. And the first notes he plays are moving from that D minor chord to the D sus2. So I'm playing the D minor shape. I'm playing string 4, string 1, string 2, string 3, and then string 1 again, but moving my first finger back 1 fret to that D sus2 position. Okay. Make sure all the notes ring out. Don't play one note at a time because it won't sound right. Keep all the notes playing, and you get that lovely airy sound. Okay. Now he plays harmonics at this point. Harmonics, again, is a lesson on Patreon. A harmonic is where you rest your finger lightly on the string at certain places. Now these places are, the main places are fret 5, fret 7, and fret 12. There are harmonics elsewhere as well, but they are the main ones. He plays it at fret 7 on string 4, twice, and then fret 7 on string 3. Okay, it's right on top of the fret. It's not as you would normally play a note there, so it's not there. It's right on the fret. It's a very light touch, and you can play it and take your finger off and it'll still play. Okay. So it's 2 on the 4th string and 1 on the 3rd. Now he then goes back to the D minor up here whilst playing supposedly the 3rd string. So it's overlaid, he's done it twice. So instead of doing the harmonics, just play once, and then you can get onto the D minor. Okay. Then he plays the D minor again, as we did before, and then finishes with a D sus2 at the open position. Okay. And again, a D sus2. If you do a D minor, take your first finger off, D sus2. Okay. Then this is where we start. And the rest of that intro, rest of the song, is in the next lesson on patreon.com/Chris J. Connolly. Let's look at how we play that intro. We've done the harmonics and we've done the airy bits. What we need to do now is to take the D minor chord, but we don't need the third finger. We'll take that finger off. All we need are strings 1, 3 and 4. I'm going to play the open D and then play with my second finger at fret 14 the third string. Okay? And then my first finger is on fret 13 of string 1. Okay? And back to string 3. My plectrum, I'm going down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. And then I'm going to move that shape, and I'm going to use my second finger and my third finger to move to fret 12 on the same string. So I'm still on string 3 and 1. Okay, so watch that move carefully. Okay, I'm moving back 2 frets. I'll do that slowly. I'm moving back another fret with my second finger and then putting my first finger, so my second finger is on fret 9, my first finger is now on fret 8 of the first string. Okay, we then move back to fret 5 with your second finger on fret 5 of the third string and your third finger on fret 5 of the first string. Move your second finger back 1 fret, put your first finger on fret 3 of the first string, and this is where we do a slide from fret 4 on the third string to fret 2, and then finish that with fret 1 of the first string. Okay, now the second time round it's the same, but the D comes in a bit earlier. So the first time it's, sorry, yeah, a bit earlier. And the second time is, can you notice the difference there? Okay. So there's a slight difference in the timing of the D, but the rest is the same, down to the end. Okay. That's in another lesson. I'll see you. Don't forget to download Great British Guitar Songs Made Easy Book 1 from the Patreon website www./Chris J. Connolly. The link is below here, and I'll see you in the next video.